Good day. Today I'll be trying to talk about how to save self click on your mobile earning app. Um, Let me start by telling you how to prevent Google from tracking your app and your account. So the first thing you have to do is you go to your settings. Um, go to your settings. Go to your settings. Can you see it? Then you go to Google. Once you go to Google settings, now this Google settings, right? You go to manage your Google account. Can you see? Then you click on data and personalization. Now, as you can see, my own web and app activity is paused. My location history is also paused, and my YouTube history is paused. How can you pause your own? Just click on each of them. Once you click, wait a bit, I'm coming. Once you click on them, yeah, you see a button here. Now I'm turning it on now. Can you see? I'm turning it on. Once I turn it on, I'm coming. Can you see it's turned on? But I don't want it on. I want to keep it off. So I switched. I'll pause it. So now it's off now. So can you see everything is paused? You do the same for location history and YouTube history. That's the first thing you have to do. Um, Once you've done that, you have actually prevented Google from tracking you, but it's not complete prevention. It's just about 60% prevention from tracking your account and your app. So now the first thing you have to do is you install your VPN. So I will recommend you guys to use Windscribe. So you go to your VPN, that's Windscribe. You open it. Once you open it, make sure your data is on. Now my data is on. Then click on the location you want to use. Now let me use Paris. So once you click on um I think this is Paris if I'm not mistaken. Yet you click on this. Okay, no, let me use US Central Atlanta Mountain. Can you see? I'm using US now. So once you click on US, you wait for it to get connected. Once it's connected like this, now you have switched on your VPN. Now let's use the app. So you open the app, your VPN is on and data is on now. You open the app. um you open the app. Once you open the app, you see advertisement will pop up. If your data is okay, advertisement will pop up. Can you see advertisement popping up? Advertisement is popping up. Now as you can see, if you count, you have 1 2 3 4 5 6. Sorry. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. It's about 15 advertisements. I think 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Now it's 15 advertisements. Now make sure you create enough impressions. Each advertisement means one impression. So now this is about 15 impressions now, right? So now the first thing we want to do is just to create only impressions. We don't want to click now. We are creating impressions. This is 15 impressions. So you wait for about 6 seconds. You click load banner ads. Can you see? Click load banner ads. It will change. You see the advertisement will change. Can you see? It's changing. So once it changes like this, you wait for about 6 seconds also again. As it has changed, you wait for 6 seconds. You click also load banner ads again. That's 30 impressions now that I've created for the second one. If you click load banner ads, it will show different advertisements. It will show different advertisements. So make sure you create about 100 impressions. That's clicking load banner ads about 7 times, and each of the pages you have to wait for about 6 to 7 seconds. So with this, you have created impressions for banner ads. Remember, there's no time, so you have to do it about 7 times. So you go to load interstitial ads. We have not started clicking here. We are just creating impressions. You load interstitial ads. Interstitial will pop up now. Once you click load interstitial ads, it will pop up. I'm coming. It will pop up soon. I think the network is kind of bad. Load interstitial ads. It will pop up. Once you click load interstitial ads, sorry, can you see it has shown interstitial ads? So now you can stay on this interstitial page for like 6 seconds or so. Can you see it's showing interstitial ads? So let's close it. You can stay also for about 10 seconds or 6 seconds on interstitial ads. Once you have finished creating impressions for this, can you see I've closed all my apps. I'll off my data. I'll also off my VPN. I'll also disconnect my VPN and wait for about 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Then I don't want to waste time. You wait for 2 minutes. You on your data back. You on your VPN. Can you see? Once you on switch on VPN, wait for it to show connected. Once it's connected like this, go to your app. You open your app. It will load the advertisement now. Once you load the advertisement now, we want to start clicking now. So I'll advise you, it depends on how you want to do it. You can divide your time into three sets in a day. For the first set, make sure you click different advertisements. 15 different advertisements for the first set. Now can you see this is a different advertisement? So I'm clicking it. Once I click it, it loads. Now this is we are clicking now. Can you see? So now once it loads finish, you wait for it to load completely. Make sure you wait for it to load completely. Can you see? So that it will look as if it's real. You wait for it to load completely. Can you see? You can just scroll. You can wait for about 12 seconds here. Can you see? Wait for about 12 seconds on this page. Can you see? Then you go back. Once you click back, you click another different advertisement. Click on different advertisements. Can you see? Wait for it to load also. Can you see it's loading? Wait for it to load. Your service might be bad. Wait for it to load. Can you see? Can you see? Once it's finished loading, also wait for about 10 seconds. Can you see this? There's a form here. You can actually fill some form with just use remember you're using US, so try to use English names. You just fill rubbish there. You can fill anything there and just submit it. Just fill anything on the form, submit it, go back. That's the ones that there's form. You fill it. Can you see? You're still the same as. So you want to pop up different ads. So you click load banner ads so that to bring out different ads. Now you have clicked 2 and we are going to 15. So you can click more than that, but just to be on the safer side, we want to try to do 15. Just try to look for different banner ads. So when you're done with banner ads, you load interstitial ads also. Once you load interstitial ads, you click the interstitial ads also. You can allow it to load. Once it loads, can you see? Once it loads, you go back. You close it. You can also click about 3 to 4 interstitial ads. So with this, we are done with your clicking for the first set of the day. So you close everything. You close everything. Switch off your data. Switch off your VPN. Please follow what I'm saying, and go to your settings again. Now, so that Google won't track you. Go to your app. Start settings app now. Then can you see it's loading? Then you click on your earning app. That's the app you used to. You click on the earning app. That's the app you are using to earn. The storage. Clear the data on it. Just clear the data. That's for the first set you have done now. Clear the data on it. Go back also. Go to settings again. Now we are trying to make Google not to track us. Click on Google settings. Can you see? Click on ads, ads. Can you see? Then you click reset advertising ID. The number down here will change. That means you have successfully reset your advertising ID. Now you are done for the first set. Can you see? Remember, make sure you click 15 different advertisements. You can continue reloading advertisements so that to bring out different advertisements. No, now when you are done with your 15 different advertisements, you are done for the first set. Do not open your AdMob account to check your earning immediately. You can wait for like an hour before you open your AdMob account. So with it, you are through with the first set. You can actually do the same thing I did here in another, like another time of the day. Maybe if you should do in the morning, you can do it in the afternoon. You can also do it in the night with the same set like this. I think I've actually